Super foggy this morning, guys. Look at my kayak, guys. I left it outside last night in the back of my truck because I knew I was coming out this morning, and the entire thing is covered in frost. My seat's soaking wet, my life jacket's wet, everything is just absolutely frozen and thawing, so it's gonna be soaking wet this morning. All right, guys, we're fishing the river this morning. Like I showed y'all earlier, I left all my stuff out in the back of the truck, so I've got a hoodie down on my seat and a cushion so my butt don't get soaking wet, guys. It's like 34 degrees out here right now. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do a little bit of bass fishing. We're gonna float the river. This is about a 3.5 hour trip, and we're fishing the Tnkatt online tournament, guys. So what we catch today, we'll be entering in the tournament. I actually fished yesterday, floated 10 miles, guys, and I caught one fish, 12.5 inches. Absolutely horrible. I always do so good over here on the river, and yeah, yesterday absolutely sucked. So hopefully today will be a little bit better. Hopefully I can put some bigger fish on the hog trough and enter them into this tournament, guys. So yeah, enough talking. Let's get to fishing. I got one. He ain't gonna do nothing though. He wasn't 12 inches, I don't think. That's a sign though. I mean, they're biting, so. He got off right there. He didn't even hit it. Like, he didn't even hit it. Like, I didn't even realize he was on there. I just felt a little pressure. I see my line going, and there he was. Oh man, this is a good one. This is a really good one. Woo! All right, not bad. It ain't as big as I thought, but it's decent. It's gonna get me on the board pretty good. Not a bad little fish. He ain't big, but he's gonna help though. I don't know if y'all can see it, dude. Put it on the board. He's 15, he's almost 16 inches. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put that fish in my live well on the Tnkatt Pro app. So I'm gonna go ahead and submit that fish. Submit catch. Submit catch. Browse photos. Boom, fish submitted. Oh no, it's telling me to throw this whopper flopper. There you go. I got a big largemouth. Woo! I got a good largemouth, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, God, he jumped out of the net. He about got me hooked. He ain't huge, but he's decent. It's going to be hard to get him on this damn board. Yeah, he ain't that big, but he's all right, though. That little dude. What do you think that is? 2.5? Got a little gut on him. 2.5, yeah. 2.5. He's got some weight to him. He's shaking his head. He thought he was still hooked. Yes, sir. Little guy. That ain't gonna help me. And he's done. Quick release, quick release. Just gonna keep sticking with this whopper flopper, guys. It's getting bit, so I don't want to shy away from it if it's getting the job done. There's just something about this kind of overcast day, foggy. Definitely liking the whopper flopper. Oh my God. I just missed a damn giant bass. Stay down, baby, stay down. One hook. He might not go 12, but he might. Yep, 12.25, 12.5 actually. Little guy. Another little one on the board, 12.5 inches, but I'll take it. There went something right there, right next to me. Little bitty dude, but put some more inches on the board for now. So we gotta go a little ways. Anyway, what's getting us is the water's not moving. That's what's making this trip longer. It's usually a lot faster. Whopper flopper's the trick, though, dude. Every fish I've caught on a whopper flopper. Well, except that one.
Hell yeah.
Is it better?
Feels like I'm sitting on air.
Wrap it up. Put a few more on the board. Nothing crazy. Biggest being 16.75. Caught a 15.75 and then another 12.5 incher. So that's definitely not going to cut it. But for now, just in case, I wanted to submit every one of those fish because you never know. You know, anything can happen. So I've got them on the board. I've got 4. I need 1 more for my limit. And then we can just start cooling after that, guys. I'm going to do that other big float again. Probably here in a few days. That way I can really get on those bigger fish upriver because we seem to get bigger bites the further river up we are. So, but yeah, guys, that's it. We're at the ramp. We're pulling out. Took us about 3.5, 4 hours to do that little float today. I've got all month to finish this tournament anyways. It runs from November 1st to November 31st. So we've got all month to make it happen. So guys, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button, and we'll see you all on the next one. Peace.